Hi, I'm Amanda, and I'm the owner and principal designer at Amanda Shields Interiors. And today we're going to be talking about luxury vinyl flooring. So as a designer that specializes in residential family homes, I come across a lot of families with pets and small children and just overall hectic households. And luxury vinyl flooring is just a no-brainer in situations like this. It's durable, it's affordable, and it's stylish, and it's stain resistant, it's scuff resistant, scratch resistant, and not only that, it's water resistant and really easy to install. Okay, so there are several types of luxury vinyl flooring. My two go-tos usually is LVP, which stands for luxury vinyl planks, and LVT, that stands for luxury vinyl tile. So luxury vinyl tile is a great product that is meant to replicate different types of stone or marble tiles essentially. It comes in a square format, and what I love about it is that you can lay it in any sort of pattern that you would, similar to that of tile. So LVP, luxury vinyl planks, they are designed to resemble hardwood or engineered hardwood, and they do just that. They come in a plank format and in all wood species that you could imagine, different colors, different textures, and different finishes. Whatever your design aesthetic, you're going to find a match for your project. Okay, so one of the biggest benefits of luxury vinyl flooring is its durability. So I mentioned before that it is stain resistant, scuff resistant, and scratch resistant. It's designed as a multi-layered product, and it has a top layer called a wear layer that its sole purpose is to protect your floors from all the scratches and scuffs. The thicker the wear layer, the more protection you're going to have. And then not only that, it's also water resistant. So meaning you can use it, and it's a great option for bathrooms, basements, laundry rooms, anywhere where you're going to experience some moisture. So sheet vinyl is traditionally what people think of when they think of the old school vinyl, and it comes in one big sheet with the pattern to look like tile or hardwood printed on top. The new generation of these LVPs and LVTs, and the benefit is that they look far more realistic. They have seams, so you really have a hard time even telling the difference. So if you are looking for a durable and affordable alternative to hardwood or tile, and you have a busy family household, then luxury vinyl flooring might be a great option for you.